every single day. I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
Hey guys, thank you for tuning back to my channel. My name is Mimi Carvel, but you can call me Mimi, and I'm back at it with another wig review. So today we are reviewing this beautiful beauty here. Oh my gosh, this unit is by Sensationnel Shear Muse, and her name is, we get the stock card, is pronounced, I'll say CHANA, or some people say CHANA, but it's CHANA. And I have her in the color Mermaid Fuchsia, and this is the stock card. Let's see here. And also she comes in a variety of different colors, as you can see from the color palette. And before we even get started, if you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that notification bell and click that subscribe button so you guys don't miss any more of my uploads. All right, so now we can get into it. All right, first of all, first and foremost, I have to say Sensational. I give you guys like 2 thumbs up. Like, this here is a freaking look. Like, I am so in love with this color, and to be honest, I've been eyeing this color and this unit for so long, and I could never go around to picking up this unit because there's other units that just be coming out. You know, these wigs be coming out every week from these hair companies, so it's just like I keep putting it aside. So I actually got this unit in July, the first week of July, and it's been sitting here, and we are in what, August 1st, if I'm not mistaken. Let me pull out my phone. Is it August 1st? Oh no, July 31st. So this unit been sitting here this whole time, and finally I got up and said, you know what, let me just do this unit, because I really wanted to do this unit in some natural lighting. The sun is going down a little bit, but hopefully you guys can see this color. Like, take a look at this. Like, I am so in love with the romance curls. Like, this is giving me romance curls vibe. So this unit did come with, I am looking for the other one, but yeah. So this unit did come with these two foam spongy stuff on the side. I'm not sure if you guys seen it. It was like coiled up on the side to help with these bouncy curls so they don't fall. I did get this unit from look, I did get this unit from elevatedstyles.com. This unit was going for a total of $34. And let me just give you some of the specs about this unit. So of course, this unit has some pretty colors. I also want to try one of the, let me see which color. I actually want to try this one here, Mermaid Sugar. I think it's called Sugar Plum Fairy. So I have this color here. This color is supposed to be a fuchsia, but it's reminding me of like a pinkish look, like a purplish pinkish look on in person and not on camera. But yeah, so this unit is a ear-to-ear lace. Baby hair is 100% premium fiber. I did experience some shedding on this unit, and it is curly iron safe. Thank you, God, because I didn't even read that, and I was put in the heat without worrying about it being burnt or anything. But this is heat safe. This unit's supposed to give you a cutting edge look, like a salon inspired cut and color. It's supposed to include baby hair. It did include baby hair, so the baby hairs that I did use on this unit was from, you know, from it. Let me pull the camera back up. From it, my bad, I'm just trying to fix it, sorry. From it being coming with the wig, so I did use the baby hairs that came with the unit. It is lightweight and so bouncy. Get into it, look at it. This color is so freaking gorgeous, and I haven't found like any YouTubers that did this color. Probably one or two, but I couldn't really see it the way I wanted to see it, so I wanted to witness this color for myself and this unit for myself. And I'm so glad that I got this unit and this color. I'm about to take some bomb ass pictures with this look. So this unit did come with two combs in the front, one in the back, and an adjustable strap. It did shed quite a bit. I have a few strands. I'm not sure if you can see a few strands here, like on my legs and stuff like that. Let me turn to the side. So this is the side, and this unit does not tangle so far. So far this unit does not tangle, but it does have a little like nipping at the end, so I know it will tangle. So this is not a unit that you should wear every day. This is all the hair to the back, and then of course the side. Oh my gosh, this is a look like this unit just took my heart, literally just took my heart and just placed it on a palm of his hand like this, like Sensational. This is what I did with my heart, just like this. So freaking gorgeous. I am really feeling this look. I love this look, and I noticed that they do have a natural color, so I would love to wear probably like a 1B. I don't wear natural colors, but I probably would wear a 1B, like if I want to wear it not every day, but to work at least, because this to me is too bright for work. So I wouldn't want to pull this off, or blonde, but the blonde that they do have has pink, so it makes no sense. I can't even get the blonde. But yeah, like this unit here is just giving me all type of mermaid vibes, and from the color palette it's saying that it's supposed to be mermaid hair. So mermaid is giving me a nice flowy, pretty-ish, pinkish sea color, and I am just loving this look. Like, I don't know, what do you guys think about this look? This look actually has a deep part. I am feeling the part too is really deep, so it gives this, it really brings out like the curl, so it sits really well and really flat. I think this unit is average head friendly. From a scale to 1 to 10, I do give this unit a freaking 10. I'm sorry. I don't care if it sheds, I don't care if it tangles, but because of this fluffy look, and the curls are so awesome, really pretty, and the color is like so freaking vibrant. I'm giving this unit a 10. Sensational, you guys won my heart. This unit is premium synthetic fibers. The length of this unit, it's giving me up to like my belly button area. It's not probably, I think that's like an 18-inch. I don't think 20, but this is like an 18-inch. But yeah, so what are your thoughts about this look? Are you guys feeling this look? Did I slay this look? I didn't even have to do much. Like, I look so freaking cute. Like that. Okay, you better follow me on Instagram, which is Mimi Carvel Beauty, because I'm gonna be posting looks on this unit. Like, I'm just, okay, watch. You better watch for, you better look out for this. But I ain't trying to talk too much and hold you down for too long. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share, and click that notification bell, and make sure you check out the description box below, because everything about this unit will be down below. Don't forget to follow my channel, well, my Instagram, which is Mimi Carvel Beauty. As I mentioned, I do have 2 channels, so make sure you follow the one with the beauty. And after that, I think that is about it for this look. Let me stop and get me a nice thumbnail. Hold on, don't leave, you guys. Hold on. Boom. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this look. Just tell me your thoughts down below. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you want to see. Tell me what other colors you think I should get. Tell me what colors would you rock. And yeah, that is about it, ladies and gents. If you guys do follow my channel, love you guys. Bye.